If you're replacing a MacBook Air SSD, check NVMe Compatibility first. Step 1. Identify your MacBook Air model in About This Mac or on the underside. Step 2. Note the SSD form factor. Apple often uses proprietary blade connectors. Look up NVMe support in Apple's tech specs or trusted community guides for your model. Compare the SSD connector visually. M2 NVMe sticks versus Apple's blade design. Check form factor sizes like 2280 or 2242 and confirm PCIe generation support. Inspect the NVMe connector up close. Note the keyed notch and pin layout. If your drive is M2 but not Apple compatible, use a certified Mac adapter or Apple-specific blade replacement. Watch for firmware and trim support. macOS needs NVMe firmware compatibility for booting reliably. Compare model and part numbers against a quick visual checklist before you buy. Common pitfalls include wrong connector, unsupported firmware, or incorrect physical length. Final step: back up your data, confirm compatibility, then proceed with the SSD replacement.